Radio fam, welcome back to Win with Damien. It's day 37 of the 100-day, one video a day for a 100-day challenge that I'm presenting to you from SalesVision Business Games. If you want to know more, check out the details in the description or reach out to me on Facebook. Let's link up, let's have a chat, and we will go from there. Today's video is just about what Damo did. There is no Solomon CEO today. Tomorrow probably will be back. Just one of those days where the day got away from me and we are here now. So I woke up this morning. I want you guys to guess what the first thing I did after I woke up. Those of you who know me should be able to get it. So yeah, I'll stay tuned to the end for that, and also stay tuned for the end because we've had a win and I want to share that win with you guys, because why not? So after I did my little task, I got into some yoga. I haven't been able to do yoga for the last 4 days, or any activity or any gym or any body weights or anything. Been doing my left in because I love training, I love being active, and I've pinched a little nerve and it's just been shitting me because it's stopping me from doing things. And some days like today, it's been giving me a headache. However, that's all going to change. It's getting better. Things are getting better. It's going to be better in a couple of days. So I'm going to be able to get back into training, which is going to be fantastic because I miss it, people. I miss it. You know, once you get into it and you build that habit, you know, you miss those sort of things. So I spent, this morning doing income generating activities. So messaging people, inboxing people, following up, getting around groups and posting our replay and my links, of course, in that, and also a little bit of a photo of our wins that we've had within our teams, a little bit of social proofing to add to it. Hopefully with that, get a few likes. I message them and see how we go. Sorry guys, I just got something that's just really itching me on the end of my nose. So we did that, messaged people. So we did have a productive day. It just took it out of me. And then I, spoke to T-Shock on the phone. Shout out to my boy T-Shock. We've had a few good chats on the phone. We spoke for about an hour and a bit, hour and a half maybe, which is fantastic. Spoke to Ryan a bit. We've got to catch up. We've got some stuff to yarn about, which is good. Great thing about, being online, I'm talking to all these people in freaking all the way over the other side of the world. Happy days, it's fun, building that network, and that's cool. So the thing that you had to guess was, what was the second thing that I did after I woke up? It was I made my bed. That's it, I made my bed. So get up and you make your bed because it sets the tone for the day. First task done. Plus when you're walking around throughout the day, or when you get home, you walk past your bedroom, you go, damn, that bed's looking fresh. And then you look for, you get excited when you get to go to bed because fresh made bed. Sort of not the same as when you wash the sheets and all that sort of stuff and you give them a bit of fluff. What do you call it? What's that thing? I don't know. Fabric softener. Yeah, that's the one. You whack down on them. Voila, smells rosy. Back on track. And the thing I wanted to share with you today is I had one of my team members upgrade today to Diamond, which was awesome. Now what that means is it wasn't a lump sum. He is doing the $100 a month, which means that for the rest of his subscription time and while he's on board, that's going to be a residual income for me, 30% of that every month. Fantastico. So just keep chugging along, stay consistent out there, guys. Keep having fun with it all. Enjoy the process. Make sure you're following the steps, doing your daily income generating activities as consistently as you can. And yeah, happy days. So tomorrow I should be back with Solomon CEO. Yeah, day 38. I'm out.